Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota Tacoma key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task is quick and easy, usually taking less than 5 minutes. Let's get started and have your key fob working perfectly again in no time. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch, usually on the side or bottom of the fob. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this notch. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. The goal is to expose the internal components without force. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct reinstallation. Gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery using your screwdriver. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it with the positive or plus side facing upwards, just like the old one was. Ensure it sits securely in its compartment. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them together firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely snapped shut. Now, it's time for the final check. Test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure they are working correctly, like locking and unlocking your vehicle. If everything functions as expected, you're all set. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.